what's going on, y'all? It's your girl right here. Yeah, and I got another air fryer. Midea was nice enough to send over their 2-zone air fryer. First air fryer I've seen or had. It has a bottom layer and a top layer. So I'm supposed to cook me a vegan dinner. And yes, it's dark, y'all. I've been working nights, so I'm on a night kick. I'm hoping, you know, everything is good here because I'm really ready to open and try this air fryer. And y'all like, girl, you got, yes. When I saw this, I had to have it. This air fryer even has an app for turning it on and turning it off. This I've never seen anything like it. So I'm excited about it, and we're gonna get in here and do us some vegan cooking with this air fryer. And Yoshi knocking on the door. Hold on. First, get this thing unboxed and see what we're working with. We got an instruction booklet. Very much needed. It's a user manual. Y'all see that? Okay, on top is a drip pan. Yay. Easy cleanup. Oh, and then there's another drip pan. I guess I do need to read the instructions. Registration for the product. Y'all, I'm gonna put the link below. You can get these at Costco's. They cheaper actually on Costco right now, but they also on Amazon. And I'm gonna put a link for $40 off. And I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, it's good to the first. But as soon as you see this video, if you want this time, you better click on the link and try to get it for the $40 off, which makes it like $99. Oh my goodness, this is the biggest air fryer that I have ever seen or had. And I'm excited. Look how huge it is. It is huge. Okay. Yeah, my oven is about to be out of commission. Most exciting part. Yes. Yes. Get the tape off. Nothing to put together. I like that. I'm hungry too. I am really hungry. It's time for dinner. Okay, let me turn it around so you guys can see. Do I still have some tape? Okay. First tray. Pretty big. I don't know why I can't get this one open. I probably need to read the instructions. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. This tray comes out and it sits down in the bottom of that tray. But anyway, let me show y'all the dials. You have the upper portion and then you have the lower portion. So you can cook on 2 different temperatures. And you have air fryer, grill, dehydrate, bake, roast, boil, reheat, toast, bagel, and keep warm. So this is pretty cool. And then you have the dial that you can move to all those settings with the temperatures. And you can change the temperatures that are on there. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And y'all, look at all this room. This is where I was telling you that this can come out. The drip pan. And then you can slide it back in. It has like these little rubber bumpers on the end. And it has a light. So you can see your food cooking while it's cooking. And then there's the bottom oven with the bottom rack. It has a drip tray. Makes for easy cleanup. And then you can put the bottom tray that you cook on right there. So this is really cool. What we finna do, I got some soy curl, Butler soy curls. Let me show you. They look like this. And you can get these from Butler or you can get them from Amazon. They're just organic soy curl. Good for salads, pasta, stir-fry rice, fajitas. I mean, it's just a list of things you can do with these. So what I did with mine is I have them over here soaking in some garlic and hot water, steaming hot water, and some vegan chicken, no chicken broth. That's what it's called. So I'm just letting them soak and dehydrate because when you first get them, they're real crispy and hard, and you have to rehydrate them and wake them up, you know. And we're gonna do some. Oh, let me get it. Some vegetables. I got a big bag of vegetables. I'm gonna roast those vegetables up, and I'm gonna have some vegetables and my own way of saying vegan fried, well, air fried chicken. And on the stove, I just got some green beans and mushrooms going, and that's gonna be dinner for tonight. So let me get the everything all set up. And I know you can cook at different times, but you can have it where it'll get done kind of like at the same time. So we're gonna go in first and put our vegetables on. Okay guys, I got everything all washed up, cleaned off. And what I want to do is go ahead and put my frozen vegetables in here because I want to let them cook off a little bit first. And then I'm going to go ahead and season them up for the second round. So we only going to do the vegetables first. So I'm going to go with upper. And I'm going to go with, let's see. I've never used this, so I guess I'll just let it go on air fry. And let's see. I don't want it to go that long. Yeah, we're gonna go with air fry. And I'm gonna change the time from 20. It'll pop up where you can just change the time. You guys probably can't see it, but once you make your setting, it'll give you a choice to go, you know, with time and temp. I'm gonna leave it at I'm gonna change it from 390 to about 300. And a time, I'm gonna set it for about, let's say 5 minutes. Let's see, time, 5 minutes, and then play. So we're gonna let them go for 5 minutes first, just to get some of the ice and melted it, so I can season them up and then put them back in there. Oh wait, now we can go. In between time, we're gonna be over here working on getting my chicken set up. And I'll show you guys how we use the app too. I'll try to put it in the screen. What curls look like after they've been rehydrated, they really do look like chicken, really. So I'm gonna drop that in the bowl. I want to get all this. Well, I'm gonna put this little pieces in my screen bag. This is some seasoning that I kind of mixed up. It's got some Creole seasoning, which I just use Slap Your Mama. I know that's a crazy name, but that's the seasoning. Some thyme. It's got some nutritional yeast, some smoked paprika, onion salt, garlic salt, and pepper. So I just kind of mixed this up and I put it on everything. How about that? Oh, white pepper, that's what it is. Not regular pepper, but I put white pepper. But I'm going to get this seasoned here. It's easier to already have it all mixed up and I ain't got to do that. So yeah, I'm just going to dump that on there. And work my little faux chicken around. Y'all, this season just smells so good. So good. Right here, I'm gonna coat it with the, this is just some fine cornmeal. That's what I'm gonna use to fry it up with. So it'll have that, you know, crispier taste. I have not tried soy curls in the air fryer, but I wanted to, and this air fryer really made me say, you know what, I'm gonna go for it this time. And if y'all see a lot of the little bitty crumbs, it's because this is the bottom of the bag of my cornmeal. I mean, of my soy curls. You usually get the bigger ones in the bigger bag. I mean, you know, at the top of the bag, but this was the last of the bag. So that's what we got. We're gonna mix in there about just a spoon full of almond flour. Mix that in there. Okay. Now we're ready to get our whenever our vegetables stop, we're ready to get our vegetables seasoned. Okay guys, I got the vegetables out the first round, and I'm just gonna go in here and put some garlic, some paste, right? I'm gonna put some parsley flakes in there. These are just some I got at the grocery store that comes like, you know, fresh for 4 weeks. I ain't gotta cut them up. They already been cut up, and you know, the lazy way. With some onion powder. That's onion powder. Some garlic powder. And I got some Cajun seasoning. And I gotta do just a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. That's about all we need to give these babies a little bit of flavor. And now we're gonna put them back in and get them roasted up. Now vegetables are ready to go. And then our chicken first batch is ready to go, which this is probably all I'm gonna do tonight. So let's go over to the oven. Vegetables in. And our first round of vegan chicken in. And this time, I'm going to use the app. Okay. We're gonna go with the upper basket and we're gonna set it to air fry. And we're gonna set it, well, you just do air fry, the time come up and click start. And it automatically pops up here, it says 390. And then all I have to do is press start. And then for the lower, I'm gonna choose, let's say we're gonna bake. And we're gonna bake at, let's see, 400. Let's go with 380. I've never used this, so we try. We're gonna see for 15 minutes and press start. And then all I have to do is press play. Oops, wait a minute. Press start. And then I press play on this side. And then I'm gonna, oh, I can do sync finish upper basket and lower. Oh, I should have did the sync first, but I'll show it to you on these. I'll put a little thing in where you can kind of follow along me using the app. But yeah, I'll be back when our food gets ready. Now this is super cool. I was watching TV, just chilling, waiting, and a notification came on my phone. Turn food, host. Time to turn food. Okay, this is next generation fabulous, okay? Okay, guys. Here are our vegetables. Ooh, I almost overcooked them. Let me put them on plate. Ooh, our beautiful vegan chicken. Okay. There we go. Everything came out nice and lovely. I got my vegetables roasted to a T. Y'all can still see the smoke coming off of them. Ignore the light in the background because it's pitch dark out and I needed some extra lighting, y'all. And my green beans that I cooked in the oven. Bon appetit. This Midea air fryer is everything. Everything. My little soy carols got nice and crispy. Y'all, I'm just to go throw down. I'm just to go throw down. I'll put all the link and information below if y'all interested in trying it. But I got to go eat. I'm hungry. Bye guys. See y'all in the next video.